It's coming in so fast. Look at it come in. I guess it's like 100 miles an hour wind. So we might get, look at it, just is like almost upon us.
Nah, it's
It's
moving
like,
like
it's so
80 miles an hour, bro.
It's so fast.
Nah, bro. Nah. Nah. Yeah, it went 5 miles to freaking 1 mile, bro. Nah.
Look at it come in.
Nah.
Archer, come up here. Quit saying nah.
Bro, that thing's like a mountain.
That is crazy. It's gonna come overtake us.
Watch the wind just pick up like crazy. Holy crap. Almost gone.
Oh my gosh. Flexing out a little bit.
How?
I don't know. This is the craziest thing ever.
I did not know the storm was coming this fast.
It's like blowing out.
It's gonna be over this for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's gonna go fast.
Holy sweet.
It's just like coming straight at us.
It's like,
Oh, a little wind.
oh shoot. It's like coming, bro.
Can't even get it all anymore. Oh, here comes the rain.
Oh shoot.
Here's the wind.
Ah.
Ah!
Oh.
Oh my gosh, pitch black now.
I'm gonna bring this up.
Okay. Holy buckets. Holy cow. Oh.